Hi everyone, it's me Rizwana and you are watching our Watercolorist. Here I am demonstrating 8 watercolor flowers which is so simple and beautiful. You can use this flowers for creating your own floral design. For the first flower, we are doing a simple 6-petal flower. Here I am using a red shade for the flower. For creating the flower, I am just dragging the body of brush across the paper either once, twice or thrice after I get the shape. Don't overdo it too much, it may destroy your petals. After that, I take dark bluish black color to the center of the flower and that's it, our first flower is finished. So simple, right? And for the second flower, we are doing a simple 4-petal flower. Here I am using a purple shade. You can use any color of your choice. Using the tip of the brush and drag out slightly and release the pressure to create these petals. It's so beautiful and I love this. I am also adding small lines in between the petals. It will give a nice look to your flower. After that, I am adding a little bit of black color to the center of the flower. And for the leaf and stem, I am adding green shade. You can use any color as your choice. Using the tip of the brush and drag out slightly to create this leaf. Same technique we use to create petals. For the third flower, it's lavender. I am just adding violet shade for this flower. For the flower, using the brush, draw small strokes just like writing one. After that, just draw the stem and the leaf. For that, I am adding green shade. As for drawing the leaf, using the tip of the brush and drag out slightly, release the pressure and create this beautiful leaf. After finishing the third flower, now move on to the fourth flower. It is so simple to draw this flower. For that, I am taking a purple shade. For drawing the petals, using the tip of the brush and drag out slightly to create this small tiny petals. After that, I am taking yellow color in the center and as for the leaves, I am giving muddy green shade and drawing leaf here and there. That's it, our fourth flower is also finished. It's so cute one, right? For the next flower, first you should load the brush with generous amount of plain water and draw the petals after that. Here I am taking yellow and little bit of red shade for this flower. Using the tip of the brush, just spread the color here and there. Don't overdo it too much, it may destroy your petals. It doesn't matter how you do, don't overthink it, just create it. After that, I am adding little bit of brown shade to the center of the flower. And that's it. Our fifth flower is also finished. It's so cute and elegant one. For the next flower, petals are to be pulled away from center. And so, we are going to point our brush back at the center for each petal. I'm going to drag it first and lift off. That's it. Same as all petals. Point, press, lift off. And as for the center, I'm going to grab yellow and brown shade. We are basically creating a dome shape with the spots. So I am going to slant hole with my brush and place some dots on my paper. That's it. And finally, pull the stem out and here I am using sap green and little bit of yellow shade for the stem and leaf. For the next flower, we are drawing a simple 5-petal flower. For that, I am using light rose and red. Load your brush with generous amount of rose watercolor. After that, I am just dragging the tip of my brush across the paper twice or thrice to form the shape of the petal. After I get the shape, don't overdo it too much, it may destroy your petals. After that, I take dark muddy blue to the center of the flower and spot some dots like this. And finally, I am adding a little bit of red color to the tips and edges of the flower petals. Here I am adding small leaf in different shades of greens. And that's it. I always like to create flowers like this. And finally, we are going to draw rose. For the rose, I am going to load mud red shade. You can use whatever color you like. First, you have to draw 6 at the center of the flower using the brush tip. And draw C curve to the side of the flower. Draw the C curve that it makes your circle longer and fatter as you get further from the center of the rose. As you get further from the center, lighten the color and wash out and draw the C curve that it makes your circle longer and fatter. And go behind each C curve to start next petal. The same technique is employed for drawing different sizes of rose flowers, and for the leaves I am adding green. I am drawing small leaf for this rose, and that's it. A beautiful rose is also finished. I hope all of you love this, and in future we will upload more videos about florals and leaves. Stay tuned to Alva and the Colorist, and thanks for watching.